Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to go ahead and talk about one cool little tactic, one little trick, one little thing that you could do that could completely shift the momentum of your Redbubble store and maximize your earnings. It could drastically improve your earnings. Let's go ahead and talk about it. You guys know how when you think of Redbubble, right? What do you typically think of? You might think of products, and I'm referring to products, obviously. You might think of phone cases. You might think of stickers, right? T-shirts. We can all agree on that. And I think on a subconscious level, we think of those specific items because we form this almost like a kind of association, a conditional association that, Redbubble, if you want, those are the type of products that sell the most on Redbubble. But I was actually looking at my sales for one of my bigger stores, and I was looking at the sales history, and I went to the email that it was associated with, and I searched for the keyword Redbubble in my inbox, and I saw like a list of, you guys know, when you get a sale on Redbubble, you get this little email that says, you've made a sale, right? And I was clicking through those different products that are selling, and I started to realize something. The majority of the money that was coming in was large amounts from products that were what we call the not typical products. Like, you guys know the duffel bags, the backpacks, the posters, the canvases, the tapestries, the duvet covers even. Those were the products for me that generated the most income. But we as Redbubble creators, we tend to kind of neglect those because we might think in our head that those products might just not generate enough sales. But when I look at it, right, if you sell a Redbubble sticker, okay, for every one Redbubble sticker that you sell roughly in terms of profit, you're going to have to sell about more than 50 of those stickers to just equal one duvet cover sale, right? Maybe even more. Maybe even 40, 50, 80, just to equal one duvet cover sale. And so the tip that I have for today that could literally shift the momentum of your business. When I talk about shifting the momentum, think about this, guys. A basketball game, if you guys play basketball, tennis, anything, that one steal, that one rebound, that one block could literally shift the momentum of the game. You could go from losing to winning in a matter of seconds, in a matter of minutes, by this one trick, is going back and optimizing the designs for those odd products. And when I talk about odd products, like I said, I'm talking about the things that, like the duffel bags, the things that people don't think of. And I think that, in general, I think all of us should be putting our designs on every single product. And the way I look at it is I assimilate this to fishing, okay? As a fisherman, sometimes you might not know exactly where the fish are. You don't have the radar, you don't have the, the navigation on the boat. Sometimes you're just picking a certain spot. You're casting that net, you're casting that rod, the reeling rod, and you're hoping that something bites. What I'm trying to say here is that you're going to get a bigger chance of getting something to bite when you optimize for those specific designs. I want to go ahead and give you guys an example here. Do you guys see this phone case? Now, this phone case here, you could see this Bengal tiger sticker here, which actually looks really dope, really cool. It's cut off a little bit. Right? The person who created this wasn't really optimizing for the design. And I think by that standard, the common notion is, okay, I have like 100 products. You guys know, when you upload one design to Redbubble, it will automatically apply that design to like 60 products. And they're probably thinking in their head, it doesn't matter if I don't really pay attention to it. I just want quantity. I want numbers. I want more designs. Well, I'm here to say that I think you should focus on quality too, right? And we got to spend time on each specific design optimizing for it. So like, look at this one, this laptop sleeve. This laptop sleeve is a beautiful image. I think we can all agree on that. But there's a few problems here. The ears of the tiger seems like it's cut off a little bit. Maybe the white background is not optimal, things like that. Maybe there's something that could be done there that could make the design just a little bit better, because when you make it just a little bit better, that could make the buying decision for the consumer just a little bit more realistic. I think we can all agree on that. And what happens is when you do this for not one design, not two designs, but all your designs in your store, now you're stacking wins on top of wins. And when you stack wins on top of wins, you increase your chance to succeed. Let's say I'm a dad, right? And I have a kid, and I love this. My kid loves tigers. And I go onto this this product here, and I want to go ahead and see all designs for this product. And I want to look at the backpacks because my kid is going back to school. And I'm looking for the backpacks here. I'm scrolling. Let's just see if this designer optimized for the backpack look. Let's see here. We got greeting cards, spiral notebooks, drawstring bag. Let's go ahead and see. We got poster. First of all, the clock needs to be fixed in my opinion. Let's go ahead and see the drawstring bag. Where is the backpacks, guys? Am I missing something? Did this person just not upload any backpacks? I think that is the case, honestly. I really could be wrong. Maybe you guys can correct me in the comments down below. But the drawstring bag looks good, but what if I need something more? Yeah, I don't even see a backpack here, guys. This is what I'm trying to say is first thing we need to do that could shift the momentum of our stores is we need to upload all products, all designs. If there's a design that maybe doesn't fit for that product, we need to go back and we need to add that specific design to that product. That's the first thing. The second thing is we need to optimize each design. Like nothing should be cut off here, or even on the clock, for example, or the ears of the tiger as a good example. The clock, you guys could see here how it's a little bit cut off, or maybe even this zipper pouch, maybe this spiral notebook. You know, that little thing, even this travel mug. Like this travel mug, I'm sure some of the tiger enthusiasts would love a travel mug with a picture like this, but to me, I'm just not, I mean, it looks good, but I'm just not seeing it properly. Maybe they have to minimize the image a little bit more, something like that. So what I'm trying to say here is that, and this is just one example, guys, but when I look back at the success of my store, because we're talking about money here, right? We want to all make passive income from Redbubble. When we're talking about money, consumers have different desires. Some consumers might love stickers. Some consumers might love phone cases. Some consumers might be looking for a duffel bag. That one consumer could make you an extra $10, $20 on your Redbubble store just from one purchase. So I think it is important to optimize for every single design. And, I'm not perfect. I'm sure in my store, for example, on one of my stores, I have over 1,600 designs. I'm sure in one of those designs or multiple of those designs, or even the majority of those designs are not optimized. And I have to go back in time and optimize. And I thought, man, how much money am I leaving on the table because I didn't optimize everything? And, the moments that I'm really thankful for going back and optimizing certain designs is when I get a sale for that specific product that I never thought I would get a sale on. Like just the other day, I got a sale on a product that actually sold as a duvet cover. And I specifically remember, guys, going back into Canva, editing the photo, or editing the design rather, so not really a photo, but you guys get what I'm saying. Editing the design to make sure it fits the duvet cover properly. And I remember doing it like months ago, and then it later got a sale down the line. And you know what? That extra 30 seconds of work made all the difference. It created an extra essentially multiple dollars in sales. And what happens is when you get multiple designs, that starts to add up. All right, guys? So this is just a quick tip. And with this tip, guys, it doesn't require any money. You're not going to have to pay for anything to do this. It's so beautiful about this one topic is that it's all sweat equity. It's all about the work that you put in. And I'm sure everybody watching this wants to be successful with Redbubble. So, guys, make sure when you upload a design, don't leave anything on the table. Make sure you upload for every single product sold, right? All designs, and also make sure they look good on those specific designs. Remember, we have to focus on quantity, but we also have to focus on quality. All right, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Just a quick reminder of a video. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you later. All right? Peace out. Bye.